We are Sedem Borborbor Group originated from Mache Jobi under the able leadership of Togbe Oseitutu, the 6th, the paramount chief of Mache traditional area, and also Mama Anijiebu, the 2nd, the queen mother of Mache traditional area. Togbe Teku, the 5th of Mache Jeve, Togbe Drakoto, the 8th of Mache Chife, Togbe Ajamensa, the 3rd of Mache Begbi, Togbe Ajakofi, the 5th of Mache Have, and their queen mothers. Mache is known for farming and carving. We are very hospitable and brave. We also celebrate Yam Festival, of which we perform rituals to thank the gods for a successful harvest. Balongo, Ziggy, Bolo, Zibo, etc. are other traditional music and dance aside Borborbor. Mr. Sylvester Ekins Kwashiko is the founder of Sedem Borborbor Group with 20 membership in October 2024. But now we have committed membership of 45 members and above. We are also affiliated with Center for National Culture and also some dedicated officers from Performing Art Department also comes in to groom the group. The proceeds made from performances are used to train the youths and enhance the group.
Honorable Edem Kofi Kotoso is our member of parliament and he's able MC. I want to use this opportunity to thank Chief of Army Staff, Major General Lawrence Kweku Betanu, Executive Director, Equity Bank, Kenya, Mr. Emmanuel Magde, former Director of Ghana Port and Harbour, Mr. Nesta Pesigali, Head of Department, Religious Studies, University of Legon, Professor Benwili Golo, Mr. Alex Bedu Kwachiko for their continued support to the development of our community.
Miawenye Sedem Borborbor Group tocho Mache Jobi miacho Tobega Oseitutu Adelia Bubunato fe popolote papele Mama Anijiebu Evelia Bubunato fe popolote pele mia fe bofia okatan pele mia fe bofia nyonu to okatan abele ike milia honorable MP Edem Kofi Kotoso nye America nye se otapepe me nane mile nutu amepele FMC yowe ha ole ke mazamon kokwe ya aja ba agada pene amega deka eviade ole mia fe nutu me abe amega Major General Lawrence Kweku Betanu bakpele Mr. Emmanuel Mark De bakpele afeto Nesta Pesi Gale afeto Kweku Bedu Kwachiko ese wakata nyebe competition pe diade ele eji na mi ike ohia be mi kata mi adako to ko nyebe wa adako na Sedem Borborbor to be wa aduji le 2025 fe hobibili ya me ke akodada ayi ale wa ajaba akofe nufo moko a afo *920 *922#4 ela bena mi awe le tefe enelia eta ajaba na dako na mi akodada deka si di deka pe eyakonye dako na mi be mi aduji akpenami.
We want to play with the Jobi community land, all natives of Mache, Volta, and Ghana at large, to help us, Sedem Borborbor Band, to emerge winners of the National Borborbor Championship 2025 by dialing *920 *922# with the number 4 for Sedem. A vote is just one Ghana cedi. Thank you. Akpenami.